Hello friends, welcome to this training video. In this video we want to wire an industrial switchboard. This switchboard includes a 3-phase output and several single-phase outputs, and various type of protection relays are used in it. The first step is the installation of duct, which we do. Now we install the rails in the electrical panel. Now we install the equipment inside the electrical panel. At first we install a 3-phase RCCB switch that supplies the electricity to the entire electrical panel. This switch protects people and animals from electrocution. In addition, we install a 3-phase monitoring relay that protects the 3-phase consumer against 2-phase or voltage decrease and increase. For single-phase outputs, we use several single-phase miniature switches. These switches protect the circuit from short circuit. We also use a contactor for 3-phase output. In order to determine the current of the 3-phase consumer, we use a current controller relay that protects the consumer from excess current. Now we install the input and output terminals. From these terminals, 3 phases and neutral enter the electrical panel. These 3 terminals for a 3-phase outputs. And these are for single-phase output. Both single-phase outputs have a common neutral. The installation of equipment is finished. Now we start the wiring. In the first step, we connect 3 phases and neutral from the input terminals to the input of the RCCB switch. In this step, we connect the output of the RCCB switch to the input of the miniature switch. We also connect a wire from each phase to the phase control relay so that the voltage of the phases can be controlled by it. For the three-phase output, we connect the three phases from the output of the RCCB switch to the input of the contactor. For single-phase outputs, we connect the phases from the output of the miniature switch to the output terminals. Now we connect the output of the contactor to the three-phase output terminals. But before that, we pass the wire through the whole of the current controller relay so their current is calculated and shown. Now we connect the neutral wire from the neutral output of the RCCB switch to the neutral terminals. All relays and contactors need a neutral wire that we connect. We installed three signal lights on the door of the electrical panel, each of which is connected to one phase and has a common neutral. We also installed a selector switch that turns on and turns off the three-phase consumer. This switch and phase control relay and load control relay and contactor are placed in series in the circuit to complete the protection of the circuit. This video is finished. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Goodbye.